Hi, I'm Melissa Williams, your Usborne Books and More consultant, and tonight I want to tell you about some of the great titles that Usborne has in activity books for your children. Well, and for you too, but we'll get to that a little later. First, I want to tell you about a series for babies and toddlers that's the Things to Spot Out and About. And this is just a great book for young kids to teach them what to look for when they're out and about, when they're at the farm or the market. This is asking them, where's the box of carrots? Find the mouse, and there's a little hole to make it more interesting. They can peek through to the next page. So they're able to look through the page and point out different items as they learn what a carrot is and what a mouse is. This is the Wipe Clean series, and there are many different books in this series. I love this. Beginning pen control is something that we will soon be using in our house with my 17-month-old. But there are many different types of this, letters and numbers and shapes and all kinds of things, but I love this one. This is our numbers book, and one thing that's great about this is that, for instance, on this page it's the number 6. So it comes with a pen that they can use over and over. You aren't going to be throwing away worksheets, and they can trace the number 6. It's all over this page. But then also it goes back and it reinforces all the numbers that they have already learned to write. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's great because it reinforces prior learning on each page. This is for your kids that love to draw. This is an early drawing book. We have some more advanced ones, but this is a step-by-step instruction on how to draw. So this one is a giant, and it tells them the 6 steps to draw a giant. It has a scuba diver and the 8 steps that you need to know to draw a scuba diver. So that's very fun. This one is one that I know that kids just love. It's 100 paper dragons to fold and fly. And what child doesn't love paper airplanes? It actually starts out with this cool fold out section that teaches kids 4 different ways to fold a paper airplane. And then they use that information back here where they have pictures of dragons, and each page tears out and they can make it into a paper airplane and fly. Usborne has many different sticker books, and this is sticker dolly dressing. There's also a building sites for sticker book of building sites. We have many different sticker books, but this one's really fun. They they have the stickers in the middle, and it actually tells them what page the stickers go on, and then they turn to that page and they can dress the dolls up as they travel around the world. This is our travel pocket puzzle book, and it's great for road trips. It's little, so your kids can just put it right in their backpack and pull it out in the car. It's good for hours of fun in the car. Great different mind-building activities. They're all different. This one, it shows this picture, and it shows you that Marcus is right here. And then on this page, they need to choose the image that Marcus can see through his camera phone. So it makes them really kind of think about Marcus's perspective and what he's looking at. And one of the things I love about this book is that they have the answers in the back. So after they complete the page, they can then turn to the back and check their answer. And that's going to be good for hours of fun on your road trips. This book is fun and educational, and I love this because I taught writing when I was in the classroom, and a lot of students are reluctant writers and they don't think that it's fun, and this book makes it fun. It's write your own storybook. And it has really good step-by-step directions on how to write. And it starts out telling kids the parts of the story that you should outline, your characters, your time frame within your story. It has the story mountain talking about the build-up, the problem, the resolution, and the end. So that's really good basics of writing. But then it has really fun parts where they get to, this is writing a comic strip. And back here, they get to create their own fairy tale. So this book will be great for all writers, but especially reluctant writers. It makes it fun and enjoyable for them to do outside of the classroom. And then finally, I want to show you some of our coloring books. These are just 2 examples of our coloring books, but we have many, many more. These are great. They have really good thick pages so that when you're coloring, your markers aren't going to bleed through to the other side. This is our drawing, doodling, and coloring book. And so it has lots of different activities in it for you or your child to complete. This is where you get to draw more cars. They're fun colors or pages to color. And Usborne actually has started a line of adult coloring books. So we all have started seeing those, and they're very popular. They relieve stress. So there's something out there even for you. So that's a little bit of information about some of the many activity books that Usborne has to offer. And you are welcome to go to my website, melissasreadingcorner.com, to see even more. Thank you and happy doing!